Before you hit that Buy Now button, there are a few surprising downsides to the ASUS TUF Gaming Z890-PRO Wi-Fi that you might want to hear about. Stick around until the end to get the full picture. The ASUS TUF motherboard presents a sleek, predominantly silver and white aesthetic, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to build a white-themed gaming rig. The large silver heatsinks not only enhance its visual appeal, but also ensure efficient heat dissipation. However, does it exude the premium feel that its competitors offer? This motherboard is engineered to support Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, thanks to its robust 16+1+2+1 power stage design with 88 Dr. Mohs power stages. This configuration ensures stable power delivery, catering to both gamers and professionals seeking reliable performance. One of its standout features is the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7, offering faster wireless connectivity and reduced latency, a significant advantage for online gaming and streaming. Additionally, the dual Thunderbolt 4 ports provide high-speed data transfer and versatile connectivity options, accommodating a range of peripherals. The TUF Gaming also boasts comprehensive cooling solutions including VRM heatsinks and multiple hybrid fan headers, ensuring optimal thermal performance even under heavy workloads. Priced competitively, this motherboard offers a compelling value proposition for those looking to build a high-performance system without breaking the bank. For the latest deals and pricing, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing the ASUS TUF? Cons: limited PCIe 5.0 support, absence of onboard RGB lighting customization, potential compatibility issues with older components, lacks advanced overclocking features found in higher-end models. Pros: robust power delivery system, support for high-speed DDR5 memory, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports for versatile connectivity, integrated Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5GB Ethernet for fast networking, comprehensive cooling solutions for optimal thermal performance. If you're considering the ASUS TUF Gaming Pro Wi-Fi for your next build, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.